This is Megan Healy Studio, and I'm Megan. I wanted to talk really quickly about the direction of the paper. So normally, when we sit down to the desk, we have our paper like so, with the lines straight across. But I find it really much easier to write, because we write at a little bit of an angle to tilt the paper. So this way, so it's going up. When I have a pencil, I can still write on a straight line, because what we want to do is we want to have all the lines tilted like so. So, for example, my A, it's not, I'm not writing it like this. I'm writing it tilted. So this is the direction, this is the tilt, all right? And believe me, it makes it a lot easier to write your letters and to connect them if they're at a tilt. If you do it this way, it's fine, you can do it that way. It's not going to be as fast, and it might cause, gripping for your hands. So this is better, easier, and smoother. Highly recommend.